Bonham Middle School is one of our 3 middle schools, and it currently serves about 670 students. The campus was originally built in 1969, but the district has made renovations and additions to the campus over the course of its service to our students. Prior to the 2015 bond, the last major upgrade to this campus was in 2013. In the 2015 bond, Bonham Middle School accounted for $5.5 million of the $136.5 million bond. Work on the project began over the summer of 2017 and was completed the following summer. In this project, we were able to make improvements that not only extended the life of the building, but also provided practical solutions. 2 great examples are in the renovations made in the dining and common spaces, including the construction of a dividing wall between the main corridor of the school and the cafeteria, as well as blocking off one side of the stage that was originally built to be open to the big gym on one side and the cafeteria on the other. Major renovations were made to the special education facilities, upgrades to fine arts spaces, restrooms, parking and drive improvements. And as a result of cost savings from other projects, we were able to install lighting at Bonham's football field, allowing the Bulldogs to schedule evening games. Other athletic spaces included both the competition gym and the practice gym. Finally, like all projects in this bond, there were some items that were addressed that you wouldn't notice unless they weren't maintained. Things like improvements to the school's electrical infrastructure, mechanical systems, heating and air conditioning, and ADA improvements.